Let me quickly give you a word of inspiration, okay? Do not really mind my English, just leave it the way it is. At least I thank God for the good work that He has done in my life. You know, you see, in America, okay, if you have not been to America before, or you have been there, or you are watching their news, watching social media about Americas or a lot of the white people, then just listen to this. If you are a child, okay, I know that I will not do that to my own child, but depends. I will not do that to my own brother, but it depends. To my own sister, it depends. To my own mother, my own blood mother, or my own blood father, it depends, okay, of their attitude. Let me tell you, in the white man's land, okay, some parents or some fathers, maybe when you have approached more than 18 years, okay, 18, 20, 20, 22, 23, then your parents will start asking you to contribute. So they will charge you for house rent when you are still living with them, when you are not living alone, but you are working after your university and all those stuff. You are working, but you are still living in your parents' house. Your parents will charge you for house rent, light bill, gas bill, contribution of feeding money. They will tax you for that, and you have to pay, whether you pay or you leave their house immediately. You know, from the beginning, I was thinking that no, they are wrong. I will never do this to my own child. How will I do this as a mother? I will never tax my own child. But at the time, I started thinking, when I started seeing some people's characters, I started thinking, I said, okay, I was judging on my own acts, okay? But now that I now understand a lot of things, I will not judge those people, those mothers or those fathers that is charging their son or their daughters to pay rent bill, water bill, gas bill, and to contribute for anything that you are not paying in this abroad. Then they have to contribute. I will never blame them. The reason is that some of us are so greedy. Some of we that called our I'm sorry. Some of we that called ourselves the children or the kids, some of us are so greedy to the extent our mother or our father, we cannot even give them a cup of water to drink. Some of us will be working, having a good salary. You are still living in your own parents' house at the age of 25, 26, 30, 23, 24. You are earning your salary, you go out there to go and lavish it. You have never bought a gift to wish your parents happy birthday, to wish them happy anniversary if they are still together. Or when you go out, maybe once in a week, you will say, okay, I saw some food items that I know that it is not at home. Let me buy it so that we can eat it together with mommies and daddies. Some of you has never take your parents out for a dinner date or for a lunch date after all what that they have done for you. You have never do it. You know, and I realize, listen guys, if my own child, after taking care of him or her for so long, for many years, taking the responsibility as a mother and educating to become someone important in the society, then at the tail end, he has never bought a flower or buy me something, okay, on a special day or on a normal day to appreciate me. You know, if you are my son or you are my daughter, you are my brother or you are my sister, you better get out away from my house. Leave my husband's house. Or if you want to stay in my husband's house, okay, in my house, then anything that have to do with the responsibility of the house, even if that I bought it, we bought it with our own head money, okay, head money, you have to pay water bill, light bill, gas bill, stock the fridge. Then you have to pay house rent because you are having your one room in my house where sometimes you bring your boyfriend to come and visit you or your girlfriend. So you have to contribute, okay, to any activities that is going on in the house. Okay, because some kids, after using all your time and all your energy to take care of them, they are very, very selfish. Never to say, mommy, take this $100 or 50,000 naira. Daddy, take this 20,000 naira or 100,000 naira. I use it to appreciate you. You use it to buy anything that you want. Then at the tail end, that is what America and European are doing. If you are my husband, you are my daughter, you are my daughter's husband, or you are my son's wife, when you give birth, after helping you to take care of your child in a little bit, and since you enter the family, you have never appreciated me to celebrate my birthday or to give me something. I swear, wallahi, I'm going to charge you for babysitter. For you bringing your own kids to my own house. Then I will spend 12 hours taking care of your kids. I know that they are my grandson, or my grandchild, but you will be going to work. You are going to pay me, You see, that payment of babysitter, you are going to pay me for that. Don't worry, don't play. You gotta learn in a hard way.